Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from the Skill Builder channel. Today in this video I'm going to be fitting two aluminium frame double glazed windows. Now these have been supplied by the Glazing Store, who are sponsoring this video, and they provide an online service anywhere in the country. They can give you windows, you name it, they've got it. They also supply the Cornish bifold doors, which are featured in this Orangery. So if you want to see how they're fitted, check out our other video. So this frame is virtually square, and I had to think which way round does it go, but the clue is the drain holes at the bottom. They're drilled in the frame so that anything that did leak past the glazing seal, the rubber glazing seal at the front, would go into the bottom of the frame and then be drained out through the seal to the outside. So it's important, just check where your drain holes are. We're going to bed the sill on now on a bit of sand and cement. That's it.
Look at that. Are you happy with that?
Oh, we love it. Just working out what kind of bed we can get. So this is a very important part, because if you don't do this you can get damp patches appearing around the ends there, because the frame, if there's any slight leak in the frame around the rubber glazing at some point, it will go into the frame, it will drain out of the bottom of the frame, it will go in to here through the sill because there are holes drilled in the sill, and then under there are some more holes where it will leak out. We're not talking about a great deal of water, but a few drips. So once it gets into that channel, we don't want it to run along the end and soak into the brickwork or the plaster or whatever's there. So we've put a bit of damp proof course under here, lapped it up the end, so if anything does go through there, it's captured by that damp proof course. And now the belt and braces, if you like, a bead of silicone along here, and then it goes, this is important bit, down here, and this whole end here gets filled up with silicone. And you can see that if anything then goes down, it's not going to get through. I'm only doing the pilots. Let's just check that. That's fine. Oh, we haven't got any horseshoe ones, have we?
Oh, you want those ones?
That's as far as it goes, mate. I'm going to believe the bubble we want. Now always fix these sills and the frame through the thermal break. Some people argue with that. They say no, you shouldn't do it, you should do it through the aluminium, but that thermal break is plenty good enough. So long as you don't put the screws in too tight, it won't snap it, and it's a great fixing. $600 here.
Right, I'll try that. Probably starting to go off. Anyway, right.
That's fine.
I'll bung the couple on.
Oh, you didn't wet it again, did you?
Yeah.
Ah.
Why's that?
I was just thinking it was too wet. Yeah, no, it's fine. It would have gone. Don't worry. Okay. It's all right.
Right. Anyway.
That's it.
Perfect. to get your...
Okay. You in?
Yep. You in?
Yeah, I'm in. You in?
Yeah, I just feel that's about right.
That's fine.
Balance with the top and bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
I'm in now.
Yeah, there we go. That's it, right.
They do go in, it's just you've got to be careful not to scratch the... There. That's it. We're happy days.
Boom.
That's it.
Our thanks go to the Glazing Store team. These are ex-installers, they know the industry, they know the product, so head over to their website to find out more.